Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Spark English Daily. I'm Zara.
And I'm Liam. Hey everyone, so great to be back with you again today.
We are so happy you are here. Quick question. Did you practice your daily routine English from last episode? Did you answer the practice questions out loud?
We hope you did. And if you wrote in the comments, thank you so much. We read every single one. You are all doing amazing.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Spark English Daily. Share it with one friend who is learning English. Every share helps us reach more learners around the world.
Thank you so much. Okay, Zara, today's topic. Tell everyone.
Today, we are talking about habits. Good habits, bad habits, everyday habits, and how to talk about them naturally in English.
I love this topic. Everyone has habits, and talking about your habits is one of the most natural things you can do in an English conversation.
Exactly. So let's jump right in. Ready, Liam?
Ready?
So first, what is a habit? A habit is something you do regularly, something you do often, maybe every day, maybe every week, without really thinking about it.
For example, brushing your teeth every morning, that is a habit. Drinking coffee after waking up, that is a habit. Going for a walk in the evening, also a habit.
Habits can be good or bad. A good habit is something that helps you, like exercising, reading, sleeping early. A bad habit is something that is not so good for you, like eating too much sugar or staying up too late.
And today, Zara and I are going to share our own habits with you. Good ones, maybe a few bad ones too. Very honestly.
Very honestly. And along the way, you will learn all the key words and phrases to talk about your own habits in English. Let's go. Okay, Liam, let's start with you. Tell us about your habits. Good ones first.
Okay, good habits first. So my best habit, I exercise every morning. Not for a long time, just 30 minutes. I go for a run outside, rain or shine, every single morning.
Wow, every morning? Even in the rain?
Even in the rain. I started this habit 2 years ago, and I never stopped. At first, it was very difficult, but now I cannot imagine my morning without it. It gives me so much energy.
That is such a great habit, Liam. I am very impressed.
Thank you. My second good habit, I read every night before bed. Just 20 or 30 minutes. I always have a book on my bedside table. Reading helps me relax and switch off after a long day.
Reading before bed is wonderful. What kind of books do you read?
I love adventure stories and sometimes history books. I find history very interesting. My third good habit, I drink a lot of water. I always carry a water bottle with me everywhere I go. I try to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day.
8 glasses? That is very healthy.
It really helps. My skin feels better, my energy is better. Water is so important. Okay, and now an honest bad habit.
Yes, tell us.
Okay. My bad habit, I check my phone too much. First thing in the morning, last thing at night, during meals. It is a terrible habit, and I know it. I'm trying to stop, but it is very hard.
Oh, Liam, that is so many people's bad habit. You are not alone.
I know, I'm working on it. How about you, Zara? What are your habits?
Okay, my turn. So, my best habit. I write in a journal every evening, just 5 or 10 minutes. I write about my day, what happened, how I felt, what I am grateful for. I have been doing this for 3 years now.
Oh, I love that. A gratitude journal?
Yes, exactly. It really changes your mindset. When you write down good things every day, you start to notice more good things around you. I highly recommend it.
That sounds really beautiful. I might try that.
You should. My second good habit, I meal prep on Sundays. Every Sunday, I cook food for the whole week. Rice, vegetables, soup. I put everything in containers in the fridge. So during the week, I never have to worry about food.
Oh, that is so smart. Meal prepping saves so much time during the week.
So much time and money, too. When your food is ready, you do not order takeaway. My third good habit, I go for a walk every day, rain or shine. Just like you, Liam, but mine is in the evening. 20 minutes, no phone, no podcast, just walking and thinking.
A walk with no phone. That is impressive.
I know, but it's so refreshing. My brain feels so clear afterwards. Okay, and my bad habit, I stay up too late. I know I should sleep at 10:30, but somehow it's always midnight before I go to bed.
Midnight, Zara.
I know, I know. I watch one more episode of a show or I read one more chapter, and suddenly it's very late. I am trying to fix this habit, but it's not easy.
Bad habits are always the hardest to break.
Always.
Okay, listeners, let's look at the key words and phrases for talking about habits.
First, I always. I always exercise in the morning. I always read before bed. Always means every single time, 100%.
I usually. I usually drink 8 glasses of water. Usually means most of the time. Not always, but very often.
I tend to. I tend to stay up late. I tend to check my phone too much. Tend to is a very natural English phrase. It means this is something you do often, maybe without thinking.
I have a habit of. I have a habit of reading before bed. I have a habit of going for walks. This is a very common way to describe your habits in English.
I try to. I try to drink more water. I try to sleep early. Try to means you are making an effort. You want to do it, but it's not always easy.
I am trying to stop. I'm trying to stop checking my phone so much. This means I have a bad habit and I want to finish it.
And I have been doing this for 2 years. I have been doing this for 3 years. This tells people how long your habit has continued.
These phrases are so useful. Use them and your English will sound very natural and fluent immediately.
Let's put them in sentences together. Liam, tell me one habit using I tend to.
I tend to wake up early, even on weekends. I cannot sleep late. My body just wakes up automatically.
That sounds exhausting on weekends. Okay, my turn. I have a habit of making tea when I feel stressed. Hot tea always calms me down.
Oh, that is a lovely habit. Okay, listeners, pause the video now. Make one sentence about your habit using I tend to or I have a habit of. Say it out loud. Pause now and try.
Wonderful. You are doing so well.
Okay, Zara, let's talk about good habits and bad habits a little more, because understanding the difference is important.
Yes, so good habits are the ones that make your life better. They improve your health, your happiness, your energy, your relationships.
Some common good habits: exercising regularly, drinking enough water, sleeping enough, reading, eating healthy food, saving money, being kind to people.
And bad habits are the ones that do not help you. They might feel good in the moment, but they are not good for you long term.
Some common bad habits: eating too much junk food, not sleeping enough, spending too much time on your phone, skipping exercise, procrastinating, which means always delaying things you need to do.
Procrastinating. Oh, I know that one very well.
Me too. The good news is bad habits can be changed. It takes time, it takes effort, but it is possible.
Yes, the key is to start small. Do not try to change everything at once. Start with one small habit, do it every day, and slowly it becomes natural.
Exactly. Liam's top tip: connect a new habit to something you already do. For example, if you already make coffee every morning, do 5 minutes of stretching while your coffee is brewing. Connect the new habit to the old one.
Oh, that is such a smart tip. I love that. Zara's top tip, make your good habits easy. Put your book on your pillow so you see it before bed. Put your water bottle on your desk so you drink more. When things are easy, you do them more.
Such good advice. Make good habits easy, make bad habits harder. Simple, but so effective.
Okay, listeners, practice time. I'm going to ask you 3 questions. Pause after each one. Answer out loud in English. Ready?
Question 1. What is one good habit you have? Pause and answer. For example, I have a habit of drinking water every morning. Your turn. Pause now.
Great. Question 2. What is one bad habit you want to change? Pause and answer. For example, I tend to check my phone too much. I'm trying to stop. Go ahead.
Wonderful. And question 3. How long have you had your best habit? Pause and answer. For example, I have been exercising every morning for 1 year. Try it.
Amazing work, everyone. Seriously, every time you speak out loud, your English improves. Keep telling.
Okay, let's do our final review. Key phrases for talking about habits.
I always. I usually. I tend to. I have a habit of. I try to. I am trying to stop. I have been doing this for.
Good habits. Exercise. Read. Drink water. Sleep well. Eat healthy. Save money.
Bad habits. Check phone too much. Stay up late. Skip exercise. Eat junk food. Procrastinate.
And remember, start small. One habit at a time. Be patient with yourself.
Our question for you today: what is one good habit you want to start? Tell us in the comments. For example, I want to start reading every night. Or, I want to start exercising every morning. We would love to know.
We read every comment. You inspire us every day.
Please like this video, subscribe to Spark English Daily, and share with one friend learning English.
Thank you so much for being here today. See you in episode 6.
Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep sparking.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.